Here's another healthy food for you. This is the spaghetti squash. I just cut it and took out the seeds and whatever else with the big spoon, just like that. Scoop it out. By the way, those seeds are delicious. They're fresh, much better than what you buy in the store. Really good for you. And now all I'll do it, I'll just put it in the pot just to steam it, and that's it. Won't take that long. And then I like to add some oil and miso to it, and that's my dish. Okay, to your health, or in Russian, на здоровье. And now Pepper is ready for spaghetti squash. I cooked it. I think I overcooked it a little bit, but see, it looks like spaghetti. It tastes delicious, and you could even do, like, you know, in Italian spaghettis. Just get it out, and then I'll give it to Pepper, but she'll have to wait. It's too hot. I'll have some, but I'm kind of full now. But I love it. There you go. My overeating, I cannot resist good food. I'll just add some butter to mine and some oil to Pepper. Maybe to butter her too. Just a little bit. And for salt, just use salt. By the way, I forgot to mention that when I made the cabbage salad, I added when you're sick, your mind doesn't work well. I just added apple cider vinegar before I before I put it to into the food process. I mean, when I put it into the food processor, before I started the food processor. This way, I just feel maybe it won't be as much oxygenated. And I also add miso before I start the process. And this way it's all blended nicely and tastes good. Okay, so this is it. It's really good for you. I like all of these squashes. To your health. На здоровье. Good girl, Peppa. Okay, go. Go have it. Go have your... Come on. Come on, go. The food I give Pepper is never left in her bowl. She licks it all out. It's so delicious. I remember when she came with her garbage food, and that she could care less about. She could eat it or leave it. My food, goes fast. Licks all the dishes. There goes my healthy dog.